Why not start your own YouTube channel? Imagine sharing your passions with the world, connecting with like-minded individuals, and maybe even turning a hobby into a full-time job. Sounds exciting, right? So let's discuss how to do just that in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee. Firstly, identify your passion, your unique selling point. Whether it's cooking, fashion, or travel, discovering your niche is your first step in this YouTube journey. This passion will set you apart from the crowd, so don't be afraid to get specific. Next, you need to plan your content. Think about the kind of videos you'd like to make, the filming style you prefer, and create a consistent content schedule. Consistency is the name of the game here. Your audience should know when to expect your next video. Once you've got your content planned out, it's time to set up your channel. Choose a memorable name that reflects your niche and design an eye-catching banner and profile picture. And remember, your About section is a window into your world. Make sure it tells viewers exactly what your channel is all about. Now, the fun part, filming. Grab your camera, find a well-lit spot, and press record. Be authentic and be you. And remember, good audio is as important as good video. A good microphone is worth its weight in gold. With your video ready, it's time to upload and optimize. Give your video a catchy title, fill out the description with relevant keywords, and don't forget to add tags. A captivating thumbnail can be the difference between a view and a scroll past, so make sure it stands out. Finally, the key to a successful YouTube channel is engagement. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Your viewers are your greatest asset, so make sure they feel valued. And there it is, a 5-minute guide to launching your YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, create some amazing content, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the next video could be just the inspiration you need. Until then, goodbye.